All right, let's talk about AI. Yeah, artificial intelligence. You've probably heard a lot about it. Let's get real for a second. AI isn't just about robots taking over the world, or fancy tech labs. It's actually a lot closer to your everyday life than you might think. If you've ever unlocked your phone with your face, yep, that's AI doing its thing. Ordering food through an app suggestions, delivery tracking, cheeky deals that pop up when you're hungry. AI's behind all of that. Got a smart speaker at home? Ask it to play your favorite song, or set a reminder. AI is working in the background, understanding your voice and figuring out exactly what you want. Even your email spam filters, powered by AI, quietly saving you from a mountain of junk mail every day. Let's talk maps. Ever notice how your GPS reroutes you when there's traffic? AI analyzes real-time data to get you where you need to go, faster. Binge-watched a show because Netflix said, "Hey, you'll love this." That's AI learning your taste and serving the perfect recommendation. But it's not just convenience. AI helps doctors spot diseases earlier. It translates languages on the fly. And it makes banking safer by spotting fraud. It's not just the big stuff, it's the little things, woven into the fabric of your day. So next time you hear about AI, remember, it's not just science fiction. It's your playlist, your morning commute, your online shopping. It's making life smoother, bit by bit, every single day. Kinda wild, right? Let me know in the comments. Where do you notice AI popping up in your life? I'll catch you in the next one.